the new bedside. I have the bed of a 2019 Ford F-150 here, and this one has a bunch of damage down the side, which is nothing too crazy, but the worst spot is down here. It tore the metal, it's ripped right here, and it looks like it must have drug across some concrete or something, and it just thinned out the metal real bad in here to where there's really nothing there, and it ripped it loose from the inside piece. So this one's going to be getting a new bedside, mainly due to this bottom section. I have the new bedside right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this one, and I'll get this bedside cut off. So I have this bedside all fit up. My gaps all look nice and even. So I'm going to go ahead, and I have some holes I have to drill for some blind rivets. Then I will lift it back off and I will get it all prepped out for adhesive. Then I will get this bedside put back on and rivet bonded on and finished up. Now I have this bedside all rivet bonded on. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let the adhesive dry overnight. And then in the morning, I'll come in and just clean it up, and I will get this one up to our paint shop so they can get this bed painted.